Hi and welcome to my Crazy Watches channel. We recently had Christmas, so I bought myself a little gift. This time around to my collection I added a Romain Jerome driver's watch called the Spacecraft, 2014-15 edition, made in limited numbers. This is the outer container that it comes in, and today inside we have a very heavy box with some wrapping, and the watch comes in a heavy-duty metal copper box strapped together with some leather. Let's unveil this thing. And there we go. Romain Jerome Spacecraft Driver's Edition, indicating time, hours on the side, on the edge, and minutes on the top. In the box we have a container with the warranty card. You can use this also for business cards, and a pen drive with the manual or any other promotional materials. Let's get to it. Okay, so there we go. The Spacecraft by Romain Jerome, developed exclusively for Romain Jerome in cooperation with a Swiss manufacturer called Agenhor. This comes in a limited edition of 25 black PVD titanium with black triangular inserts. This also comes in another edition with those triangles made in carbon fiber. So only 50 in total were made, and there was a third edition in polished titanium. This is the sibling to the so-called Romain Jerome Subcraft, developed with Alan Silberstein, pretty much that same year, 2015. It's derived from the same watch with a more, let's say, polished and sleek appearance to it. So what it does, it just pretty much works like a jump hour. You have the hours here, the minutes here. So let's just show you what it really does, and I'll move the crown just to indicate the time, and it should jump to 8. There we go. Let's try that again. Almost there. There we go. And so on and so forth. We'll just keep on jumping. That's what it does. The 10 comes in a very single digit, nicely squeezed into that little space for the digit. Comes on a nice handmade leather bunt type strap. I will probably change it to a standard strap. That would be my preference. So yeah, just be aware, Romain Jerome has went out of business as of 2019 due to COVID. So grab yourself a bargain on eBay or elsewhere, as these have dropped from the retail price of $25,000 to about 6 or 7, depending on which retailer you're talking to, as they really want to clear their stock, as the company no longer supports them. However, should you have one of these, you can have them serviced by Agenhor, which still exists, and they specifically specialize in developing in-house movements. So that's the Spacecraft by Romain Jerome, something I really wanted to have for a long time, and yep, now it's in my collection. Get one while you can. Take care.